Why is it important to close the damper on my fireplace?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an important aspect of fireplace safety, closing the damper. You might be wondering why it's necessary to close the damper on your fireplace. Well, stick around, because we're going to dive into the reasons behind it.
What is a damper and how does it work?
Before we get into why it's important to close the damper, let's first understand what a damper is and how it functions. A damper is a metal or ceramic plate that can be opened or closed to control the airflow in your fireplace chimney. It is typically located at the top of the firebox or at the entrance of the chimney. By opening or closing the damper, you can regulate the amount of air that enters or exits the chimney.
Ensuring energy efficiency.
One of the primary reasons for closing the damper when your fireplace is not in use is to maintain energy efficiency. When the damper is left open, it creates an open pathway for warm air in your home to escape through the chimney. This results in heat loss and can lead to higher energy consumption and increased heating costs. By closing the damper, you can prevent warm air from escaping, keeping your home cozy and reducing energy waste.
Preventing downdrafts and odors.
Another important reason to close the damper when the fireplace is not in use is to prevent downdrafts and odors. When the damper is open, it allows cold air from outside to enter the chimney and flow down into your living space. This can create uncomfortable drafts and cause a drop in indoor temperature. Additionally, an open damper can allow unpleasant odors from the chimney, such as those from creosote buildup, to enter your home. By closing the damper, you can block these drafts and prevent odors from permeating your living area.
Ensuring safety and preventing hazards.
Closing the damper is also crucial for ensuring safety and preventing hazards associated with your fireplace. When the damper is open, it creates a direct pathway for sparks and embers to escape the firebox and potentially ignite flammable materials in your home. By keeping the damper closed when the fireplace is not in use, you reduce the risk of accidental fires and protect your property from potential damage. Furthermore, a closed damper acts as a barrier against unwanted critters, such as birds or squirrels, from entering your chimney and nesting there. To sum it up, closing the damper on your fireplace is important for several reasons. It helps maintain energy efficiency by preventing heat loss, keeps drafts and odors out of your living space, and ensures safety by preventing sparks and embers from escaping. So, next time you're done enjoying a cozy fire, remember to close that damper. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and warm.